Hey guys, it's Matt here at LaPorte Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and Magnuson Performance, and we're in 2023. Happy New Year, guys. It's been a great 2022, and we're really looking forward to 2023. As always, guys, thank you for your support. We appreciate you guys. Like our social media, go to our link tree. The link's in our description. Check out all our social media, guys. We have a lot planned for 2023. And I got something really cool to show you guys here in just a few minutes, so stay tuned. 2022, dude. Magnuson Performance. We have our new building, our new facility. It was an awesome year. We built a lot of Hellcat and Demon Jeeps. Sold a Hellephant Jeep, and it's thanks to all your support and all your love that you guys give us on the channel and throughout all our social media. So we're in the showroom right now at Chrysler just to show you guys a little bit of what's going on. We're bringing 2023 in. We got a couple lifted Jeeps on the showroom. They're not engine swap, just lifted. So one thing you guys know that we do have in the showroom here at the Chrysler store, now that I can call this the Chrysler store, and then we have the Performance store. You know, two separate buildings now. We're working on the Performance store. We're just starting to move in. We're getting the parts department all set up. We have a ton. Oh yeah, we have a ton of parts in stock. All you have to do is go to MagnusonPerformance.com. We have tons of stuff for your Jeep, Ram, Hellcat, Charger, Challenger, all that stuff in stock, ready to roll. So if you just want to do it yourself and do your mods on your own or whatever, that's cool. You can buy all your parts from us. We have free shipping, we have financing available and all that stuff. So you can do that, or you can obviously let us do the work for you. So either way, check out our website. It's been a long project and it's starting to really come together. So that's really cool. I know our merch is lacking. This is what we got right now, but we have on order some of the coolest, awesomest, is that even a word? Awesomest merchandise, guys. So stay tuned for that. That's one thing that is coming in 23, and that's just a little thing, but it's going to be really cool because this merch that we got coming out is awesome. We're in the Chrysler store and we have our Hellephant engine on display. We have several of these in stock, but we just like to put this one in the glass case so everybody can see it. But what we wanted to do is we wanted to offer the public, everyone, a chance to have one of these engines. So we have an eBay auction live right now to buy one of the Hellephant engines that we have. So if you go to eBay, check it out. You can buy it right away. I don't know, you can buy the engine, just hold on to it. It's probably gonna be worth a fortune someday because they only made like maybe 120 of them or so. You can buy it, do it yourself, throw it in something if you want. What I would do is I would buy it and have Magnuson Performance put it in your vehicle, because we'll put it in anything you want, whether it be a Jeep, a Ram truck, old school Charger, anything, old school truck, whatever, 1,000 horsepower engine, pretty cool. So go to that eBay auction, check it out. If you guys are interested, buy that engine. We still have plenty more in stock, so I don't think there's any of the engines for sale any longer. Everybody's either bought them to save them or bought them to put them in something, and why not let you guys have a chance at it? And like I said, if you want to work something out and we can install it in the vehicle of your choice, let's do it. That'd be cool. Like I said, I had something really special to show you guys. So what we need to do is we need to go back to the Performance Center and see what's going on back there, guys. I just stumbled across this Jeep and it's kind of cool. A new edition, Jeep Rubicon. It's called a Farout edition. Something we just got in. Jeep's not making the diesel engine any longer in the Wranglers and the Gladiators, so they came out with this Farout edition. We just got it in, so it's still in the plastic and everything. But yeah, that's the last of the diesels for Jeep. Of course, we'll engine swap a diesel later on down the road if that's something you guys want to do, because that's what we do here. Still got a good truck inventory. We got a lot of inventory still. We're back here in the Performance shop where all the magic happens, where we do all the builds. Dave and his crew back here doing his thing. There's something special in here I want to show you, but hold on. There's a couple things I'm gonna show you first. We save the best for last. Isn't that what you're supposed to do? First of all, we got our Polaris Razor out here. We just put in some really high quality Tyree lighting. The cool thing about this, and the reason why it's in the shop right now, we got this complete Rockford Fosgate audio system. Of course, we're wrapping up this Gladiator build here. Got the KC lights on it. This is a Demon build. So it's got the 840 horsepower Demon engine in it, of course. King shocks. Did the Bob bed, so it's got a much shorter bed. And then we got old school Jeep over here that we're just getting started. This is a frame swap. So they brought this in, they're like, man, we love our old school Jeep. We want to keep the old school Jeep, but it's just not safe to drive any longer. Then we're gonna do a little lift kit and a couple little modifications, some wheels and tires and different things for him. And we're gonna bring this old school Jeep back to life for him. We got our Gladiator, and this thing is pretty much all done. This has got the naturally aspirated HEMI engine in it. I know this is what everybody's been waiting for, and I've been dying to show you guys. Oh yeah, it's the 300 build, but there's something really cool about it. And it's not that the suspension's torn apart. Oh yeah, there you guys go. The Hellephant engine's in the 300, guys. I know a lot of you guys are really anxious to get this done, and you're wondering what's taking so long, and I get it. It took us a while to get the engine went through. We want to make sure everything's perfect, and a couple of you guys recognize that in your comments. You said, you know, we appreciate that you're not just slapping it together and just running it down the road, but we like to build a quality product. We're gonna put it together and it's gonna rip and it's gonna be badass. We build cool shit, but we build it with a high quality level. Just love to look at that 1,000 horsepower HEMI engine in this thing. I guess it won't be long, we'll be ripping this thing apart too, running around, videoing it, and taking it to its new owner, CJ, on 32s. So that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to talk to you guys about today. Thanks, guys, for all your support. We have some new stuff on Facebook. We have a Jeep Performance page and a Ram Performance page. So jump in those groups with us. We can discuss things. You know, we're going to talk a lot about what we do and what we can do, answer any questions anybody has. So make sure you jump in those. Like our Magnuson Performance and our LaPorte Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Facebook pages, our Instagram. And of course, subscribe to our channel and tell all your friends, guys. 2023 is going to be amazing. Happy New Year, guys. I can't wait to tell you about all the things that we're going to do, but I just got to wait. We have 3 huge projects in the making. Stay tuned, guys. It's going to be an amazing year. I hope you guys had a great new year. We'll see you soon. Hey guys, thanks for watching another cool video. You can click up here to check out our latest video, or click over here for our link tree. It's got our website and all our other social media, so you can follow us there. And you got to click over here to subscribe so you can see all the cool shit we're up to.